Uh-oh, somebody cut around that electrical box a little too wide. I'm gonna show you a really clever, fast, and strong way to fix it right after this. Now, I'm going to show you a different way to patch around boxes. Normally when we're on a job site and we got to tape around a box, we use just paper tape and it slips and slides and doesn't fit right. It's not as strong because there's not enough mud on the back. So I'm going to show you a really cool way to fix them. And it's with this product right here by Straight Flex. This is an outlet patch. So these are pre-cut and they're already cut to the exact size of an electrical box. So once you put it on there, it seals all four sides, so it seals it better, and it's a really durable, thick material. So if you put mud on the back side, there's gonna be some strength to it around this section right here, stronger than paper tape, and it's not gonna sag and droop, at least I think. Now this is brand new to me. Straight Flex sent this to me to try out. They didn't pay me anything. This is not a sponsored video in that way. They just sent it to me and that's it. Didn't tell me what to say, anything. So I'm going to try it out here and give you my honest opinion. But honestly, right off the bat, I think this is a really cool idea. If you only got a patch one or two, yeah, maybe not so big a deal, but you can buy these in packs of, it looked like there was 20 in it. I'll have to check again. It's a whole pack of them. And I think it's an affordable way to do it. So I'm going to show you how I would do it. And hey, I also wanted to show you this. They've got a bunch of different styles. They got round, 6-inch, I think, and all kinds of different sizes of patches. They also have roll patch and all kinds of sizes for doing bigger holes. I've got to try those yet. Those are brand new to me. This one here, if you can see it on camera there, it's got all these shapes, and I drew out the shape of a bigger double gang box because I'm going to use it to patch around one in the other room. But it's got different circular patterns. It's got all these different shapes, so you can just determine what you're going to patch, cut around it or cut out the shape and put it on there. Now these come in packs of I think 2, and I'm going to put a link to these on Amazon. Okay, so what I would do to tape around that is there's a simple way here to get mud on the back. You could mud all around that, but then you don't get mud on the tape itself because that crack is big enough down there. It's going to be hard to get the mud in there. So I think it's better to just put it on the front side, and you want to put on a fairly heavy coat because that's going to give it the strength when it goes around that box. So let's do that. So you can see it's really well coated. We just set it up here, make it fit the outline. Now this is a homeowner's basement, so he had the outlets put in partly for me. So normally you wouldn't have to deal with that on a new construction, but I'm going to go ahead and coat around this now that I've got it on here. Make sure I wipe it down good enough. Now I'll just go ahead and put a first coat on here. You don't really have to go all the way in. You're mainly trying to coat on the outside out. Might as well catch that screw while I'm going by. And then I just follow around with my knife like so. Got a little scratch there, so I'm going to go back the other way. Now, hey, I'll try and show you a finished picture of it after the second coat. That was a tape and a skim coat. It's still going to need one more coat. I'm really happy with this product. I think it's just stronger. It may not be a lot faster, but it's definitely a stronger way. And on exterior walls, it's actually going to seal out more of the air because it's going to go all four sides, get mud in there, and you're going to have less air leakage, which is really important on making a home energy efficient. Hey, if you really want to take your drywall mudding skills to the next level, check out my new ebook. I put this one out about showing you guys how to correct a lot of the mistakes you're making. Some of these tips and tricks are going to help you advance your skills quickly. I guarantee it. If you don't like this book, write me. I'll give you your money back. I've got a lot of pointers in there. You can read a whole lot more on my website at thatkiltedguy.com. But just click the link down below if you want to go to the website and pick this up. It's not very much money and it will help you out a lot. Believe me. Hey, you know, one of the secrets to doing quality work when you're doing your own drywall is quality tools. Now that's why I actually reached out to Level 5 last year and asked them for support of our channel, and they gladly agreed. They saw the kind of content that I'm putting out and they realized it fits in with the quality of their tools. So I want to let you guys know that I am an affiliate for Level 5. They're not paying me to say anything here, but if you decide to purchase anything, I do make about 5% on it. But get this, I'm going to be able to give you 10% off as an affiliate. You can't get that on Amazon. Now they have some really cool tools. They got everything from your basic hand tools. You can see mine have definitely been used. They're a little bit dirty right now, but not bad. These are stainless. They're not going to rust. They got all kinds of skim coating blades, including this. I believe it's a 30-inch model, all the way up through a full set of taping tools. So if you guys need any of this, I recommend them. I'll put a link down below to my website. That's where all my links are these days. Go to thatkiltedguy.com and you'll find the links to all this stuff and the discount code. So did you remember to hit that subscribe button? Go ahead and do it now. I'll wait. Okay, you got it? All right, and hit the bell icon right afterwards. Give me a thumbs up if you like this stuff, and I look forward to helping you out on the next video. Take care, everybody.